Oh my gosh, we have a setup. We spent probably like maybe a good 15 to 20 minutes.
Like actually 20 minutes in a 7-Eleven, and this is what we got. This is what I got.
The first 10 was chips. And then we also debated on drinks.
Yeah, it's pretty late. It's like 11:30.
Yeah, about 11:30.
So all the drinks were flat, and that's why I had an issue. Our drink is disgusting.
We're also in my G-Wagon, so we have to be careful not to spill anything. I can see how Trish's mukbangs get so long.
What do you mean?
We're at 7 minutes. And we have one thing. Well, we would have had.
You do have to talk.
We would have had another one if we would have had more food if she got Taco Bell.
But again,
She's not
college
a true
life.
mukbanger. What else do we have on here? I was supposed to go to the rec, and here I am eating nachos. By the way.
Yeah, Texas State closes their rec at 8 on finals week, so just in case anybody's watching.
I normally go every day, but I couldn't today. Excuse me.
It's May
Third. Oh, tomorrow's May 4th.
Yeah. May the 4th be with you.
May the 4th be with you. What are we doing?
Oh wait, May the 4th.
Yeah, it's May the 4th be with you.
Oh, okay.
We have to eat out for that. Not for real, but for the mukbang.
We're not gonna eat out.
For the mukbang, we have to let them know. We are eating out on Cinco de Mayo.
In celebration. Even though I've never seen Star Wars, nor do I care.
No, I'm talking about for Cinco de Mayo. We're eating out.
Oh yeah.
Because we're true Mexicans and we celebrate.
Yeah.
Where are we gonna go eat?
Chili's.
We're gonna eat
I'm
Chili's and get some chips and salsa. We'll for sure take you along on this journey.
This is our thumbnail.
What?
I used to be a blondie. Now I'm free. I actually don't know if that's a line.
We also ate literally like 2 hours ago.
But it was Panda, the meal trade. So it's like 2 pieces of chicken.
And if y'all have ever been to Texas State, y'all know that Panda's meal trade is not the best. You get white rice. You don't even get fried rice. White.
Not to be racist, but
One time we did get chow mein. Remember that one time?
because they were closing and they didn't have that much food, so we were like, please, we're poor, we want a meal trade, and they're like, okay, we got you, let's do chow mein, whatever your choice of meat.
Sometimes they do that when it's close to closing. They let us get whatever meat we want, free of charge. Free of charge. What else is in the news?
How do you turn this off? Oh, see, it's better. Is it?
How is that better? You can't see.
I don't know, I don't want the orange, it's making me hot.
Okay, then just turn it off. Life of YouTubers. What can I say?
I'd be horrible at this. just are not interesting. At least Trish is like interesting.
I mean, we just have to say like a sex story or like
I haven't had sex.
I haven't had sex in a while. So no sex stories here.
Our friend did last night. She's crazy.
We can tell about that.
Okay.
Can you start? Because I have to finish this nacho.
Well, I don't want to give too much detail because, you know, friendship, we keep secrets here.
Just tell them who it is and like where it happened.
Who it is?
Not like the name, but like their relationship to
Okay.
you.
One of my friends.
No, the guy.
Oh, okay. So here's the situation. Here's what happened. Our friend. Okay, maybe we should turn on this light. You know. I don't know. I mean, if y'all want to see this more. Okay, so our friend has like a Tinder. Check her out. I'm not gonna say her name, but like look her up. She found this guy on Tinder who happened to be my SI last semester. Not literally my SI, but like he was my SI technically, okay? And so they, you know, meet
If
sometimes.
You know what we're saying.
And do a little bit more than just talk, you know what I mean? But anyway, do you want to carry on the story or I would comment on the whole thing? You're having your best life over there. She's not even showing y'all her nachos.
Okay, hold on.
They're gone, by the way. She finished them.
So, woo! I'm gonna be a shower after this. The onions.
Oh.
So, she texts him. She texts him because, you know, she has needs. It's understandable. We do too. And,
At 1:30 in the morning, by the way.
oh yeah.
1:30
1:30 in the morning.
a.m.
She comes in our room. She says, okay, I'm gonna go basically get some dick, is what she's telling us. Very hot.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. My ear doesn't work that well.
No, it's okay. It's literally just because of the lights.
Okay. And so, she comes in the room at 1:30, so she's gonna go get dick. We said, okay. She comes
fun.
back, maybe 2:30, maybe, like, earlier.
No, it's still 2.
Yeah.
It was 2.
And-
She came back 30 minutes later.
And we said,
That was quick.
that was really quick. Like, did you literally,
Where
did you
did
guys
you go?
talk? Did you guys do anything? She said, no, we did. And, she told us that he was at work. And he's an SI leader, so he works on campus. In Centennial, which Centennial is right across from Butler. So they walked to Centennial and she gave it up in his office. And they fucked.
Yeah, our friend had sex with basically a teacher in his office.
Yeah, with basically a teacher in his office. There was other SI leaders. Weren't there other SI leaders?
There?
Or like in the building?
I don't know.
Oh, she said something like that. So yeah.
Crazy. Very proud of her though. We
proud.
encourage this. We encourage spontaneous activities.
We do. We do.
Like we don't do them ourselves.
We're
We
not
encourage
spontaneous.
other people.
What's the last spontaneous thing we've done?
Went to Austin. To me that was spontaneous because I didn't know that was planned.
She didn't know that was planned. We had it planned the night before, but I don't think the last spontaneous thing was, I don't know. Help me.
That random drinking night
Which
with
one?
Jordan, Sebas.
That was.
That's pretty spontaneous. It literally happened at like 2:30 in the morning, maybe 3.
Oh yeah. 100%.
And we were like honestly about to go to sleep.
It was
not
2:30
really
when we started going
to talk
to
about
Taco Bell.
hello spontaneous. We just saw all our friends that we don't talk to like regularly, but like we talk to, they're our friends. And we saw them in the living room, and we were like, I'm in the lobby, and we were like, the living room, and we were like, whoa! So we got to talking, and then we just started having a drinking night, and it was crazy.
Sebas got really drunk.
Don't say names.
Oh.
Sebas is a nickname. It's not a real name, so even it's okay.
Yeah. His real name is Sebas. You said Jordan.
Did I?
Mm-hmm.
When? I don't think I did. You just said Jordan. Okay, roll the clip. I don't think I did. Jordan's also not a real name. I don't know.
Okay,
what
we're
you
just
mean.
gonna censor this part out. Censor the name. Because I don't
I'm
want to do
full.
that. I'm almost full.
Should I finish them?
Okay.
Finish them.
I went to Walmart today.
Without us. Without me.
I went to Walmart today. I got this really nice smelling scrub.
Oh, show it. I got it, y'all.
Moroccan Rose. You want to smell it, maybe? Who runs this channel? Like, who's the guest on here? or do we run it? Like, together?
Oh my gosh.
It smells delicious, doesn't it?
Oh my god, let me smell it again. That's actually really amazing.
Oh, yeah, how much was?
What's this thing coming out the window? I'd be scared. We're in the parking garage. I'm scared, high key.
No. We have the best parking garage in the state, so don't worry. Oh my gosh, you know this guy told me he loved me at Walmart today? I don't know, like, if they were intoxicated, there was like a group of guys. And one was like, oh, I love you.
Did you say I love you back?
No, it just kept walking.
That's disrespectful.
If it was Big Butt Guy, I would. I hope the camera picked that up.
I'm eating a lot of these chips. I'm really full.
I'm full.
Y'all know what that means. That's a key word for it's almost over.
Any last words?
Promotions, Red Lobsters, sponsors, us.
No, they don't.
They sponsored this video.
Remember
See,
Lobster for
look,
real?
they gave us $25.
No way.
And we didn't even use our food, bruh. It was just, we went to 7-Eleven.
Yeah, no. Last time they
Sponsor
gave
us.
us $25, we literally spent $25 on their chicken biscuits.
And they weren't even that good.
No. They were just fucking trash. I feel like this Red Lobster near us isn't that good. Because I think
I
since
agree.
we're college kids, they can just tell us trash.
Yeah.
They're not wrong, but... Okay, well, we have to go.
Yeah, unfortunately with our busy college schedules, we can't do this for a long time even though we had 20 minutes. We had 20 minutes to
Look
spare.
how red I look.
No, I'm telling you, the lighting is terrible. You gotta get close. Like, that's what we
Thumbnail?
really look like.
It might be full right here.
La 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 la. Elmo's World.
It's dripping. Okay.
Okay, well that's all we have, everybody.
See you on the next one.